National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Jefferson County in Alabama, eastern Walker County in Alabama, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the National Weather Service indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing golf ball-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Sipsey, or 9 miles north of Sumiton, and moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Sumiton, Dora, Linds Park, Sipsey, Rocky Hollow, Beloit, Burnwell, and Clinton. This includes Interstate 65 exit number 271, US 78 exit numbers 72 through 87. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. To report severe weather, call 1-800-856-0758. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Jefferson and Walker. A severe thunderstorm